Welcome back to my vlog channel, guys. So as you can see, the teacher is here in the morning again. And we have a new ground that we begin.
Setting up a new spot for potato.
Yep.
We are almost changing up here now because we're going to put some carrot.
Yes.
So we are save up just to put some carrot and use down here so with some sweet potato.
That's right.
Because we kind of short of the space.
Yes.
So we are use up what space we can use for the potato.
Yes, yes.
We have paid for the carrot and such like the peas, but we don't have no space for the potato, so we put it on this long stretch here.
Yes.
So we are utilize it in a big potato.
Pure potato. So all of this soon be potato. And in no time again, before you know it, we reap potato again.
Yes, if you plant it, this is the hill,
Yes.
and we are going to plant same time.
Yeah.
So we don't have no time to make the hill them dry out.
Mm-mm.
We just dig and rotate same time. As we dig, we plant.
Yes.
So we are catch the coolness from the hill and also the sweetness of the slip.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
And nobody knows this best than the teacher.
Yeah, we are going fine.
I plant sweet potato for years.
Yeah, it's very long time.
Very long time.
Long time.
So all of this long stretch going back up will soon be sweet potato. Yes, man. Yeah. And these are pines. Yeah, man. He's molding the pines. Over here we have a string bean. String beans then weed out. And he was doing just that. All of this is string bean. String bean. String bean. All of this is string beans. All of that going all the way across string bean. And as we said before, over that side we're going to plant some more string bean. Very soon in short order. But you know, one at a time. Alright, so what we need to do now is throw some of the chicken manure and the string beans. Need a little rain as well. Some of these pines are wanting to debush. Want debush. Alright. So the farm coming along great, guys. Now my voice so tired. I'm tired. Been up and down all week, guys. I find a vervine plant here. You know, I'm going to visit a female farmer soon. 3 feet tall female farmer, Concita. She has a valley of vervine where she lives. Whole heap of vervine. Oh yes, this is a nice sized land for the sweet potato. Soon all of this will be so pretty. It will be a sea of sweet potato. Sweet potato slips.
Let me see if I plant it good. Well, yes, this is how we deal with it. You fold it like this,
Yeah.
you sink it. You go back and you fold it like this. Yeah, so one of the guys them see how the body a look, never see how potato plant.
Yeah.
Eventually them can see how.
Are people who plant it different? This is another technique you can try.
This is another technique because You just fold it like this. You fold it so,
Yeah,
and you push it in the dirt.
that's right.
Normally we have people doesn't fold it, just do it like this same way and it still catch.
Yeah,
But when you fold it, it's more stronger. You have people just do like this
yeah,
and don't fold it, but it fold inside of the hill.
right.
But we normally fold it so like, and just bend it, and that's it.
Yes.
So this is a new type of planting slip.
Yeah.
Fold, huh?
And what we're gonna do is we're just going to plant as we go along.
Yeah, as we go along, we dig and plant, so we don't have to make this, the hill them stay to one another day and suck out.
Yes.
So as we dig,
The
we
plant.
it. So it going at the fresh hill. Even if the slip even quail.
Yes.
Once the hill are fresh,
Yes.
it is good.
That's true.
Normally me plant them 2 and some 1. The bigger slip them can go by 1.
That's right.
Not only the bigger, but sometimes one you don't trust it like it a go catch.
Yes.
So you put another one against it.
In case that one dies.
Exactly. That's how it go.
Yeah, man.
And we make a great start here.
Of course.
Because we are plant and dig and plant.
And this land over here is bigger than the one over
Yeah,
there.
It don't have that wideness.
Yeah.
But it have the length.
Yes.
It's long.
Yeah.
So if you should cut it and match it to over there, you're going to have piece where you leave back.
Yeah, it's gonna be bigger.
Yeah. Yeah, big and plant.
Mm-hmm.
At the same time, wasting no time,
No.
the earth. You have some people say them like plant this slip when it's quail, when it's stale.
Yeah.
But we're not getting that amount of rain now.
Yes.
Believe no slip to no stale nothing.
Yes, that's true.
Because the rain not fall. The time you go and leave it to quail, the land is drying out.
Yes, yes.
So we just dig and plant. And I think it's more easier for us.
Right.
We can go through the easier way we can go through.
And then these sweet potato are going to be ready.
They're ready before August.
Before August, not true?
Yeah, because
We want to plant back August for December.
yeah, August we're going to lick back carrot and sweet potato over there. So we're going to change the land.
Yeah.
At times,
Mm-hmm.
we change the crop, replace back a different crop to the earth.
Right.
So we are going to have a different place to plant this potato when we take from this side.
Yes.
So we're going to use the part where we have carrot in it to sweet potato, and the part that the sweet potato in it to carrot or any other thing. But we don't plant sweet potato and take out the back and plant sweet potato.
No, you have to rotate the land.
Yeah, we rotate the land. And this slip is very good.
Mm-hmm.
They can bear.
Yeah, man.
The two them can bear, we follow them up.
Yes.
We don't dash them away. Because sometimes you don't get the slip them bear like these.
True.
So we eventually have to use all of these slip at times.
Them hilly are big though, Scotty.
Yeah, because we make them big, that means say if rain or fall, they have sufficient
Nutrients,
inside
moisture.
and the hill also for the potato. The potato have space.
Yeah.
They can, because the potato, if you notice, these potato bear all over the hill.
True that.
So you build some big hill so that they have the space,
Right.
because these potato bear all over the hill. So you have to set the space.
Yes.
Me the pound dig and plant so me
How much custard apple not down there, alright? Me love custard apple, but guess what me love it? When you put on the fridge and it chill and cool. Nice. Yeah, man. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in my next vlog.